Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Range Rover Sedan marks a bold and unexpected move by Land Rover, taking the luxurious DNA of the iconic SUV and shaping it into a sleek, road-hugging sedan. With decades of off-road heritage and a reputation for elegance, Range Rover has redefined itself once again, proving it can dominate not just the mountains, but the streets as well. The first thing you notice is the design. It's unmistakably Range Rover, with clean lines, a strong presence, and a profile that somehow blends aggression with grace. The front fascia is sculpted with precision, featuring a new grille design and matrix LED headlights that hint at power and technology under the surface. Its proportions are long, low, and wide, giving it a commanding stance that rivals some of the most iconic luxury sedans in the world. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover Sedan offers multiple powertrains, ranging from a smooth turbocharged inline-6 to a powerful V8 and even a plug-in hybrid variant. Performance is refined yet exhilarating, with the V8 delivering over 500 horsepower and launching this luxury cruiser from 0 to 60 in just under 4.5 seconds. Paired with an adaptive air suspension and advanced all-wheel drive system, the driving experience is both athletic and composed, capable of handling twisty roads and long highway stretches with equal confidence. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of refinement. Every inch is wrapped in premium leather, sustainable wood veneers, and brushed metal accents. The seats are not only heated and ventilated but offer massage functions and a wide range of adjustments, ensuring maximum comfort for all occupants. Ambient lighting sets the mood, while the panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, adding to the sense of openness and luxury. Technology takes center stage with a dual-screen infotainment setup powered by Land Rover's latest Pivi Pro system. It's fast, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital instrument cluster and head-up display keep essential driving information within view, and a high-end Meridian sound system wraps you in concert-level audio quality. Rear seat passengers are treated to individual entertainment screens, executive seating options, and an experience on par with first-class travel. Safety is, of course, paramount. The 2025 Range Rover Sedan comes equipped with a suite of driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. It even includes autonomous parking and a semi-autonomous driving mode for those who prefer a hands-off approach during long drives. But what truly sets the 2025 Range Rover Sedan apart is how it reimagines the brand's identity. It maintains the opulence and capability that Range Rover is known for, but brings it into a new format that appeals to drivers who value performance, presence, and refinement in a more streamlined form. It's not trying to be just another luxury sedan. It's rewriting what a luxury sedan can be. In a market dominated by German and American giants, Range Rover's new sedan dares to challenge the norm. It's a confident statement that luxury doesn't have to follow tradition. It can evolve. And in doing so, Land Rover has created something truly special. The 2025 Range Rover Sedan is more than just a car. It's a new chapter in the legacy of a brand that continues to push boundaries, on the road and off. We'll see you next video.